really cool, and you have to see it in person to see that how cool and how beautiful it reflections when you have a flash lights on. So if you are doing your nails, I would suggest if you have something that you can have it support for yours. Let me move this one because support for your arms. Doesn't matter, maybe towers or something, so then that way you can have something to lean on and you can able to polish it, you know, like the gel's application is okay. So I'm gonna make sure that you all can see it. I have my elbows leans on the top. It's funny is my condensed glue gel, but then if you have a tower or it's rolled up or your armrest, whatever work for you. If you're at the salon, at your station, your suite, you know that you already have all the tools, but this is for like if you are doing it for yourself, like including a nail tech. It can be struggle because, or it can be challenge. Not, I don't say it's struggle, I'm sorry. It's more like a challenge. But then however, the nail tech, remember all the nail tech, if you're on the nail tech, make sure you take good care of yourself and take care and make time for yourself, because if you don't take care of your nails well, then how you can take care of others people. And I just spilled everything. I'm gonna using just like Kiko Pusher, the orange stick, and then remove all of the excess gels that unwanted. Keep in mind I'm doing my dominant hand, so it can be fun and it also can be challenge, but just give yourselves, you know, take your time and you will get hang of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my pinky. I haven't geared the other one yet, so I want to do a pinky first. Don't do that way, my business. Okay. Okay. Make sure that we get it. If you are missing it, no, not worry. We are going to go back with the second coat. And then Dreamy Purple it is. And then I'm going ahead and using Dashing Nude. The 6 color is so beautiful. I did this one right here. Blushing Rose. I think so. It's just so beautiful. And we are going to do 2 colors this time. I don't know how I'm showing this for all you to see it. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. All right. Oh, so beautiful. Like I have a rosy, not rosy, like champagne colors. Rose gold color. So now keep in mind, you can definitely use it itself. Like you don't need to have any backgrounds on. It looks so beautiful. And also you can do it on the top of any colors. Like say any of a lighter colors background, nude, beige, you name it. Or rose gold, whatever colors you have it underneath. Or you can use it just itself. Looks really good. I'm not using the piece of leafy white and give it a little quick swipe on the edges, so then that way it gonna keep the same nice precise shape. All right, so now we are going to cure for 60 seconds. You can tell that the first 1 coat versus the 2 coat. Okay, so cure. And I'm in the process of remove this colors. You can see that I just get it done last week when I did the live video. And I just want a different colors for the shows, for ABS shows. So we're looking forward to see you. And we can't wait to share with all cool tip and trick. Stop by at our booths on 1123. Just say hi, pick up some cute gifts. And this time we're gonna have a really cool gift, special uniques for the ABS attendees when you come in, and we can't wait to see you. It's a lot of new products, and our team will be there to answer all the questions you may have. All right, I'm gonna do next. This one is only one, 2 colors. Usually you see me with the long nails when I'm at the shows, but you're gonna see like Mika with long nails, Dom with long nails, Vicky with long nails, and 3 of the hours in the team get long nails, and 3 of us, which is me, Robin, and Sammy, will have a little bit shorter nails, but not like quite short. However, it's just a concept, so you can do short or long. It's up to you. Whatever make you happy, whatever makes your clients happy. It takes so long. All right, so let's do the second coat of Dreamy Purple. I'm gonna close the lids and the cap and give it a little quick shake. And pick up the Dreamy Purple and then continue doing it using my and I'll get it closer to the cuticle. It's like a 45-degree angle, and then just gently push the bristle back into the cuticle. So really easy, simple. There's a lot of different ways. There are a lot of different ways to doing the techniques of polishing the nails, but it's one of really easiest way to do. You place it closer to the cuticles, like about maybe a hair width, like a 90%. And then just really gently push gently. And then also keep in mind, it depends on a different type of gel polish. Okay, gel polish or nail polish, some of them might be a really like the consistency is like really light, like looser, so then it might be runny, so you might have to really be careful just to get it closer, like about 90%, like closer to the cuticle. You don't want to just push it so close, and when if it just in case that it's really loose and it's not, the consistency is not thick consistency, is might running everywhere for you, and then it's gonna create this really like struggling and disaster. Then it's run everywhere to your cuticles and then get underneath of the nails. Then it's gonna be make a mess, a huge mess, and you have to clean it so much more. This is, I'm just doing it for mine so I can use this. But if you're doing for your clients, like orange wood stick is the best. So using the lens-free wipe and then just clean, just give it like really wipe basically underneath and then edges of it. So keep the shape off from a lot of excess gels. And I'm going to Dashing Nude, number 58. So we've been having fun with like 3 colors so far. I have Blushing Rose, and then Dashing Nude, and Dreamy Purple. So I think it's Orange Spark and Silver and something else. Something blue, I think. Somehow I get some gel in there. Maybe I touch it earlier. All right, so let's see. Let's take a look, see if we miss anything. It's really fun. So I would suggest if you are like me, I always, since I start doing my nails, take care of my nails between the weeks and whatever, I always do my left hand first. Because in that way it will not give me a hard time. Just a little touch up right there. So I will get the difficult parts out first, and then we are going to using on the hand, which is my like non-dominant hand. Not bad, huh? Do you think? You see it's all right. Here is the camera here.